You know, for those of us that don't know me, know that I ran a ballet company for 15 years. And I would deal with the public. And they know nothing about what we do as structural engineers. When I would tell them, we create computer models of bridges and buildings in the computer memory. We shake them with earthquakes, blow wind on them. And the software tells us which portions of the structure are gonna break, and so that you can fix it before it's even built. I mean, they look at you. Man, are you some kind of a genius or what? But you see, that's what we do. They don't know that. This is the kind of education that we need out there. The beauty about structural engineering is that you make life better for all of humanity on a daily basis. That's what you do. You're in the business of actually saving lives. I mean, people become heroes by saving one life. You are saving lives every time the wind blows. But they don't know that out there. The Salesforce Tower, the biggest tower in the Western Hemisphere, performance-based design. The only reason that building would actually stand in San Francisco is because of its amazing engineering. There's a mention of some artist. There's a mention of, I think the architect is there. No structural engineer. That's the reason why people don't know. We have so many amazing stories to tell. People are blown away when they find out the things that you do. Learn public speaking, get out there and talk to them. Just one of these things. Pick it up. Make friends, talk about your profession. There's so much they want to hear from you.
Yeah, I really enjoy the points he brings as far as connecting with others. A lot of people really like to live in their own bubble, and they don't like to reach out, and they don't like to take that step towards others, and I like how Ashraf tries to bridge that gap, especially with structural engineers.
I feel like as engineers, a lot of times we're quiet and just like to crunch the numbers, and I'm personally one of those people. So to actually get out and talk about what we do and help people understand, I feel like is something I need to improve on.
Seeing the passion that he has, and honestly all the people here that have worked so hard in our profession, I've gotten a new found passion for it, and it makes you want to work and want to continue, and just to see all the things that people are doing and how much what we're doing really does impact the world. And if we talked about what we did a little bit more, we would be appreciated more, and I think we can really do a lot of great things.
Years ago, a student from Argentina came to attend one of my dynamic analysis courses in New York. She goes back, writes to me this amazing letter. I graduated 4 years ago, but today I went to work with a new sense of purpose and passion associated with what I do because of what I heard from you. She came to learn dynamics. But the biggest lesson she took away was this. What have we done as educators if we have taught her structural dynamics, structural mechanics, mechanics of materials, but we have totally failed to instill in her a sense of passion and pride associated and purpose associated with what she does? We have failed her. And that's what we need, to know how amazing we are, to take credit for things that we do with pride. Talk about it.
I think it's just he wants to share with everybody what structural engineers do for the world. I mean, like, it makes us, things that nobody really thinks about. Like when you walk into a building or you go over a bridge, you take it for granted. You don't think of all the things that go into it to keep people safe. So I think it's a way of him sharing and spreading the word of how, structural engineering helps save lives.
Hey everybody, we are here at the Disneyland Resort at the Disneyland Hotel Grand Ballroom, and we are ready for a CSI party like you've never experienced before. Come on and join us. You guys, come on inside. Oh, so pretty.
1, 2.
Oh my goodness. Isn't this great? See you at the show.
They all ask me, why do you do so many parties? Somebody wrote to me, the party lasted 7 hours, there were 1,500 people there. And I don't think anybody stopped smiling for 7 hours. That's the reason you do the party. Everybody leaving there is your PR agent. this is a profession that is worth celebrating. We have to instill in our profession a sense of belief. Like, do you really believe that our profession is a gift to humanity? Because there's a beautiful thing about belief, that when you have beliefs and you get out there and speak about them, what happens? You attract other people that have the same beliefs you have. And if you get out there and talk about beliefs with a passion, you convert people that didn't believe what you believe into believing what you believe. And once they are believers, they will give you what you deserve, not because you're asking for it, but because that's their belief. But it has to start from you.
A special thank you to all the students that have traveled from so far. You are the future of this profession, and I am counting on you to change it.